Maurice, quick question.
Absolutely.
Should I register a trademark with Amazon Brand Registry when launching a new product, or go with Amazon brand approval and then consider a trademark registration if sales perform well?
Great question. First, just to clarify, Amazon does not offer trademarking services. The only way to get your brand's trademark is to go through the USPTO office and register your brand and complete the proper paperwork with them. You have the option to go ahead and get started on Amazon without doing any sort of trademarking or brand registry. I would highly encourage, get the trademark, get brand registered, and let's go to work with building a successful store. For brand owners, I always want you to trademark first, right? Because that's what's going to help me protect your brand on Amazon stores. And we believe in the brands and we believe in the work that they've put in. So we want to make sure we protect that and we put those brands first and put the ownership first. We also want to make sure that we're not holding up any success that you can possibly build by being on Amazon. The trademarking process can take some time. You don't have to wait a year for that process to actually be completed and be approved. You can just have a pending registration with the USPTO and get your brand registry going on Amazon, which is still going to allow you to start to build out those successful stores underneath and get those listings going so that we can drive customers and traffic towards your business.